Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna be doing this easy makeup look. Alright, so yeah, let's start. So I'm gonna use my NYX Stay Matte but not flat. I'm gonna do a quick look, guys. Nothing extra. Okay guys, so as you can see, I wanted to do I wanted to do a talk through. However, my mic is giving me a lot of problem and I am so over it. I need like a Rode mic, one of those nice mic that when you talk it's like ASMR. Yeah, I need one of those mic. I have to really get a mic, so I'm going to, save some money and invest in a decent mic because this mic is garbage. Oh my gosh. But as I said, I just wanted to do something nice and relaxing so you can just So see you later on actually, and enjoy the video. Watch till the end because yeah, I like it when you watch to the end, and please watch the ads too so I can make a little something. Yeah, it really helps me and supports me right now because it's a little bit rough. Yeah, but just continue watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you later on. Okay guys, so I am really loving how this look turned out, and the lashes guys, yes, they are, yeah, they're something else. Really love them guys. So thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I have something special coming to my channel, so you don't want to miss that, so just stick around. And yeah, thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye.